again I am winding up one session and some of us together. So these guys, a team, and we enjoyed a lot in many sessions. And these people are preparing for the UPSC exam. Whosoever is the viewer can wish them all the best. And they want to say something together. What's that? They have said about the national development. So nation is first. This is what our so part of service is fine, but enjoyment is also important because the thumb line is that if we are happy, we can make everyone happy. So happiness is core to life, whatever, personal or official. So by now, all are signing off. Bye bye.
What do you understand by WHIP? WHIP. And if there is a 10 marker question, what will you be writing about WHIP? WHIP को हिंदी में कहते हैं क्या? चाबुक. Now चाबुक means what? जो हॉर्सेस पे मारा जाता है. घोड़े. So if there are many घोड़े, right? Horse 1, horse 2, horse 3, horse 4 and horse 5, and they are pulling one chariot, right? Chariot wherein people are there, and this chariot is of political party people, or you can say political party. And these horses are what? Who are pulling this political party? These are either MP or MLA. MP or MLA. Now, if Chabuk is not there in the hand of the headquarter, how they will be managing these nonsense horses who wants to run this side, this side, this side, this side? The chariot will be destroyed. You are getting my point. So they need to be whipped, right? So MP or MLA. Now, from here a question is there, what do you mean by horse trading? Tell me, what do you mean by horse trading? Horse trading means selling and purchasing of the horses, and these horses are MP or MLA. And these MPs can also be purchased by some other chariot person that can be of Congress if this political party is BJP. Yes or no? And now, why these MP or MLA are called as horses? Because whenever they see Gandhiji, their heart pump blood very fast, very fast. So it runs like anything, and they need to just grab the opportunity. It is called as opportunistic polity. The corruption is there because of this horse trading mode, and that is why the anti-defection law was brought. Fine. So anyway, so this is the whip, which is a mechanism, and this mechanism is used by the party headquarter in whipping the horses called as MP or MLA for the purpose of securing yes or no from them collectively in the house so as to win a particular business. wherein the majority of that political party, that government, is to be indirectly demonstrated. So there are four occasions wherein the whip is issued. What are those occasions? Number one occasion is budget. If budget is not passed, it means the government has not demonstrated its majority, the confidence in the house. Then vote of thanks. Just I told you that if vote of thanks not passed, then again it is the same scenario what was in the budget. Then confidence motion. Of course, confidence motion is to be brought by the government to show that yes, it is there. We are there. We are enjoying the confidence of the house. Then no confidence motion. It is brought by the other side of the story, opposition and all. So it has to be defeated. If it is passed, it means the government is in minority, right? On these four occasions, the whip is to be mandatorily followed. And if it is not followed by a particular person, then under anti defection law, the person will be disqualified. The person will be disqualified from being an MP or MLA. वो किसी काम का नहीं रहेगा, right? And on other occasions, including president election and all, whip is of no use because the secret voting is there. Votes are secret, so they will not be coming to know about it. And for other occasions, government need not to show the majority. That is why it is so. I hope you have understood.